home seekers, I'm Jessica for OrangeTee AAG. Welcome to Block 322C Sumang Walk, where your dream home is just waiting for you. This spacious 5-room HDB flat offers 116 square meters of modern living. Let's take a closer look. First up, check out this impressive living room. It's the perfect space for family movie night or just relaxing after a long day at work. And the cherry on top, an unobstructed, breathtaking river view right from a window. That's right, each bedroom comes with this stunning view. Just imagine waking up to this every morning. What a way to start the day! Next, let's step into the kitchen. Fully renovated and equipped for all your culinary adventures. It's sleek, modern, and just waiting for your personal touch. Attention nature lovers! You're just a short stroll away from Punggol Waterway Park. It's ideal for morning jogs, picnics, or simply enjoying the outdoors. Getting around is a breeze. Just a quick walk to Sumang LRT station, and in 2 stops, you'll be at Punggol MRT station and Waterway Point. Shopping and dining options galore. And for your convenience, there's a multi-story car park right next door, complete with a coffee shop, provision shop, and supermarket, perfect for those late-night cravings. For families, this location is unbeatable, with schools like Punggol Cove Primary School, Valor Primary School, and Yusof Ishak Secondary School just around the corner. Education is right at your fingertips. Whether you're a young family, a couple, or anyone looking for a vibrant community in Punggol, Block 322C Sumang Walk is the perfect choice. And guess what? All eligible buyers can make this fantastic flat their own. Don't wait! Homes like these are in high demand. Schedule your viewing today and step into your new future. See you soon!